In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop Google Photos backup on Android. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go over to our Google Photos application and go ahead and find it. Now, you're going to see anything that you previously had, anything like that. On the top right, you're going to see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, one of the options that we're going to see is backup. Go over to that. And if you want to stop the Google Photo backup, as you can see, mine is currently enabled, and it also shows that my backup is complete. All I want to do is go ahead and disable this. And now it says backup is off. It says the photos and videos that you back up are kept safe and secure. And basically, whenever your backup is off, any images or videos you take, they're not going to be backed up to Google Photos. So they're not going to be, manually just automatically moved over. You're going to have to manually do it if you ever wanted to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.